Kerala launches Priyadarshini free bus travel scheme. The Kerala government has officially launched the Priyadarshini free bus travel scheme, a major welfare initiative aimed at improving mobility and accessibility for women and transgender persons. Introduced on 15 June 2026, the scheme allows eligible passengers to travel free of cost in ordinary buses operated by the Kerala State Road Transport Corporation (KSRTC). The initiative seeks to reduce transportation expenses, encourage greater use of public transport, and improve access to education, employment, healthcare, and other essential services. What is the Priyadarshini scheme? The Priyadarshini scheme provides zero fare travel on ordinary KSRTC buses throughout Kerala. Instead of paying a fare, eligible passengers receive a zero value ticket generated through an electronic ticket machine (ETM). The ticket serves as proof of travel and enables the government to track usage and reimburse KSRTC for the cost of providing the service. Who can benefit? The scheme is available to all women regardless of age, income level, social status or occupation. It also covers transgender persons across the state. A notable feature of the program is its universal coverage. Beneficiaries do not need to register, apply or satisfy any income related eligibility criteria, making access simple and inclusive. Coverage and bus services included. The Priyadarshini scheme currently applies to ordinary KSRTC bus services operating across Kerala. However, certain categories of buses remain outside the scheme's initial scope. These include city fast, super fast and air conditioned bus services where regular fares will continue to apply. The government has implemented the scheme across approximately 3,125 ordinary KSRTC buses. How does the scheme work? The passengers availing the benefit must collect a Priyadarshini ticket from the conductor during their journey. Eligible buses are clearly marked with the words Priyadarshini scheme painted in white, helping passengers identify services covered under the program. The use of electronic ticket machines ensures transparency in fare reimbursement and facilitates efficient monitoring of passenger numbers. Financial and administrative framework. The Kerala government will fully compensate KSRTC for the revenue foregone under the scheme. According to official estimates, the program is expected to cost more than 60 crore rupees every month, resulting in an annual expenditure of around 800 crore rupees. The government has stated that implementation will be reviewed periodically, taking into account passenger usage pattern and the financial condition of KSRTC. Significance of the scheme. Affordable transportation plays a critical role in improving social and economic participation. By removing fare-related barriers, the Priyadarshini scheme is expected to support women's workforce participation, educational access, healthcare visits, and overall mobility. The inclusion of transgender persons also reflects the state's commitment to social inclusion and equal access to public services. The initiative aligns with broader efforts to promote gender-sensitive public policies and strengthen welfare measures in Kerala. Policy background. The Priyadarshini scheme is one of the 5 Indira guarantees announced by the Congress-led United Democratic Front (UDF) during the Kerala Assembly elections